Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to your iPhone 13. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS software. Next, charge both devices to at least 50% power. Finally, enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing experience, ensuring everything is ready to go. Once your devices are ready, power on your Apple Watch and position it close to your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the dedicated Apple Watch application. You will then see an option to pair new watch. Tap this to begin. Your iPhone's camera will activate, allowing you to scan the unique animated pattern displayed on your watch face, which initiates the connection. After scanning, you'll be prompted to choose whether to set up the watch for yourself or for a family member. Carefully review and accept the terms and conditions to continue the process. It's highly recommended to create a secure 4-digit or 6-digit passcode for your Apple Watch. This step is vital for protecting your personal information and ensuring the security of your device. Finally, you will select which wrist you plan to wear your watch on and choose to install any available applications. The last step involves waiting for your data to fully synchronize between your iPhone and Apple Watch. This process can take several minutes, so please be patient. Once complete, your Apple Watch Series 9 is fully connected and ready for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.